My name is Kenneth Chen. I'm the COO and CFO at Aiven. I'm based in Sweden, and Aiven is based in Finland. And under the COO role, I have responsibility for finance and legal, in addition to workplace, people, and IT. All of our forecasting and budgeting processes were done manually in spreadsheets, which meant that you had to keep track of spreadsheet versions, and you had to ensure that all of the inputs that you needed were actually captured in the same version of the file, which also meant that version control and the manual error components of managing a spreadsheet become quite a problem. Scalability of a spreadsheet, clearly we were at its limits, and so we decided that we needed to procure a system that would help us facilitate the fast growth of Aiven by capturing it in one place and allowing stakeholders to look and review, but also for our FP&A teams to have some central place to work from. Yeah, we looked at several different platforms. We looked up market, we looked down market, and I think the conclusion that we reached was that we needed a platform that was suitable for the state and maturity of the organization that we were in. We also wanted something that we could go live with very quickly. We didn't want to spend months and months on implementation because we didn't see any value from having a very, very mature top of line enterprise product. We needed something that was suitable for our maturity, and a system that would also grow with us based on our feedback. And for us, Abacum was a clear choice because, like I said, the feature set was rich. It was what we needed. You have a very fast-moving organization. You're launching features on a regular basis. That is exactly the stuff that we as an organization might need. And your time to launch or time to market for these new features is getting shorter and shorter, which also means that we have more things that we can try out that we haven't even been able to yet. But we want to be able to do that, and that's good because that means when we have that need one day, we don't have to go shopping for another system. We know that Abacum has a whole bunch of things that we haven't even tried. So the FP&A team has one place to do its forecasting, and that is within Abacum. So all team members who have assignments to each of the functional areas in the business, for example, product or people or the CEO organization as a whole or sales, they will take the inputs from the business and put them into Abacum. And then Abacum consolidates and provides the FP&A team and me, in extension, with a consolidated overall view of how the budget and or forecast looks. And the best part about it is we can make changes to it. We can track to see what the impact of things are. We have the ability to course correct some of the decisions and assumptions we're making in the process by going to the same platform without having to worry about which version of the spreadsheet we're using. It's having confidence that the budget that we create every year and the forecast that we do on a rolling quarterly basis, represent the best information we have to drive the business. And also democratizing that information so that all the stakeholders who are contributors to that outcome have the ability to see how the numbers are impacting their direct P&Ls. I would just say that Abacum, I think, is a fantastic product. The team is great. The team is really, really good to work with, and I'm just happy to be a partner with you.